Welcome to the Workflow, the show where we unlock the secrets of creative productivity and automation.
I'm Moto, your host for the show, and today we're diving into something that can save you hours every week.
How to add skills to your own AI agent in Atlassian.
Ever wish your report and document could create themselves? Or that you had a digital assistant to handle the boring stuff so you can focus on what matters? By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to set up your AI agent skills in Atlassian to automate your workflow. No coding required. Ready to level up your productivity? Let's get started.
Welcome back. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Atlassian dashboard. Look for the Studio menu on the left. Click it. If you don't see this option, make sure your admin has enabled AI integrations. You'll see a new screen with a greeting message and a couple options like agents, automation, assets, etc. On the right, Atlassian Default AI Agent Rovo. Today, we'll look for the AI agent we want to improve, in my case the Task Moto PM agent we created in the last episode. Go ahead and click on your AI agent to open its overview page. From here we can proceed to update your agent's scenarios, behavior, knowledge, and skills. We will proceed today to give it some skills. Proceed to click on Default Scenario. You are now in the Default Scenario screen. If you scroll to the bottom, you will find your skills library. Click it to view skills. As you can see, you have several different skills we can add to our AI agents, from add a card to Trello board, to add comment to GitLab, or the one we will be using today, create a document in your Google Drive. Scroll through the skills until you find Create Google Doc Beta. Click on it to add. Once added, you can see your new skill in your agent skill section. You can remove skills or add as you want. If you do not see your AI agent on the right-hand side panel, click the top left of the right panel and search for your agent, or click Test to the top right side of the default agent screen. Once you have selected your agent, let's proceed to test his skills. I will instruct the agent to visit Multimedia Artist magazine, get the content of the post from the link provided, create a document labeled MAM today in my Google Drives with the content from Multimedia Artist magazine. Let's execute our command. As you can see, the agent is working and processing the command we just gave it. It has gathered the information, formatted it, and it's ready to proceed to create the document upon review and confirmation. Proceed to click on Confirm. And there you have it. Just like that, you have gathered information from a website or link of your choice, and created a document in your drive, labeled as you pleased. We will visit the Multimedia Artist magazine to compare the article to the created page. Congratulations! You've just added your first skill to your AI agent in Atlassian. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this episode with your team. Got questions or want to see more advanced automations? Drop a comment below or tag us on social media. And don't forget, next week, we'll be changing our normal launch from Mondays to Wednesday, with new short films and music videos on Friday and Saturday. Thanks for watching The Workflow. See you in the next episode.